I don't think that's appropriate.
Come on. Promise I won't look under the water. It'll really turn me on.
Oh, it's a bit cold.
Are your mates not coming in?
No, I don't think so.
Aw, they seem dead nice.
Yeah, well, they're certainly very enthusiastic.
Have you found some trunks then?
Oh no, these are my pants. I'm afraid I'll have to go commando on the journey back.
Where's that?
No, go commando means to not wear any underwear.
Oh, right. Why don't you go commando now?
What, here? No, I don't think that's appropriate.
Come on. Promise I won't look under the water. It'll really turn me on.
No, I think what with the kiddies in the pool and... Beg your pardon?
Come on, Martin. We came here as friends, but there's no denying there's a spark between us.
There is? I mean, there is. I thought there might be.
Martin.
Yes?
Get down in the water and slowly pull down your pants.
People are looking.
No, they're not. Now give them to me. And swim under the waterfall. I'll put these out to dry and I'll meet you back there in 2 minutes.
Brandy,
2 minutes.
No.
You having a nice time?
Yes. I love to listen to English people argue.
So, what's Paco short for?
I'm not short. I'm taller than you.
No, I mean, is Paco your full name?
Why do you ask these things?
Trying to get to know you. I like you.
My name is Paco Benitez. I am 22 years old. I live in Albeiro with my boyfriend and our dog Pippo. I like French cinema, and my favorite color is blue.
You live in Albeiro with your boyfriend? Oh my God. I've made such a fool of myself, haven't I?
No.
I've been trying my hardest with you all day, and I've been getting absolutely nothing back, but now it all makes sense.
Okay.
I can be such an idiot sometimes. Ugh. Crisp?
Brandy? Excuse me? That lady I was talking to earlier, did you see where she went?
Yeah, she got out.
Right. Did she say where she was going?
No, but she took your clothes.
Oh, God. Brandy, where are you? This isn't funny! What's your name?
Michael.
Michael? I need your help.